Today, we're diving into the essential kitchen tools you need for efficient meal prepping. Meal prepping is about taking control of your diet and saving precious time. Having the right tools can mean the difference between a stress-free meal prep session and chaos in the kitchen. We're going to walk you through the must-have tools that will elevate your meal prep game. So, grab your notepads, sharpen your knives, and get ready to transform your kitchen into a well-oiled meal prepping machine. Let's get started. First up, the food processor. This is not just a gadget, it's an extension of your very being in the kitchen. Chopping vegetables, pureeing soups, making dips, this thing does it all, and faster than you can say service. Get yourself a food processor that can handle anything you throw at it, from a simple pesto to a complex curry paste. Remember, time is precious, and in the kitchen, time is money. Next up, silicone baking cups. No more scraping burnt bits out of metal tins, just perfectly portioned muffins, cupcakes, or frittatas that pop right out. These magical cups are also freezer and oven safe, so you can batch cook your little heart out. And the best part, they're a doddle to clean, just toss them in the dishwasher. Listen, we're not messing about here. If you want to keep up with the big leagues, you need a veggie chopper. Onions, carrots, celery. This thing will dice them faster than you can say mise en place. A good chopper will have different blades for dicing, slicing, and julienning so you can get the perfect cut every time. This is about precision and speed, people. Right, let's talk appliances. An air fryer is your go-to for crispy, healthy meals in minutes. Now, if you're more of a set-it-and-forget-it kind of cook, then a slow cooker is your best mate. Throw in your ingredients in the morning, and by the time you get home, you'll have a delicious, hearty meal waiting for you. It's perfect for stews, curries, and pulled pork. Now, this is non-negotiable. A sharp, high-quality chef's knife is the backbone of any decent kitchen. A good chef's knife will feel like an extension of your hand, allowing you to chop, slice, and dice with precision and ease. Invest in a good one and treat it with respect. That means washing it by hand and keeping it sharp. A blunt knife is more dangerous than a sharp one. A good cutting board is essential for protecting your knives and your countertops. Choose a sturdy board made from wood or plastic that's big enough to give you plenty of room to work. And for God's sake, use separate boards for raw meat and vegetables. Listen up, you want to be a meal prepping pro? Then ditch the measuring cups and get yourself a food scale. Measuring by weight is far more precise than measuring by volume, especially for ingredients like flour and spices. A food scale will ensure that your recipes turn out perfectly every time and will help you with portion control. Get yourself a scale and start measuring like a pro. Invest in a good set of food storage containers to keep your prepped meals fresh and organized. Get yourself a variety of sizes to accommodate different portions and types of food. Make sure they're freezer and microwave safe for easy reheating. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more kitchen tips and tricks. With these essential tools in your arsenal, you're well on your way to becoming a meal prepping machine. Remember, it's all about efficiency, organization, and a little bit of passion. Now get out there and show me what you've got.